Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to integrate Outlook with Zoho CRM. So first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then you just have to open two tabs. So we have here my Outlook account, and on the other tab is my Zoho CRM account. So right here, just have to log into your Zoho account and then select CRM. That's right. And then here at the top right corner of the screen, you have the gear icon or the setup. Just have to click on this one. That's right. And then you just have to find the marketplace and then click on the Microsoft. All right. So right here, you just have to, install add-in from Microsoft App Store. So all you have to do here is to click on this option. So here we have the feature highlights. So you can bring your Zoho CRM contacts through emails. You can manage your leads and contacts from Outlook and more. So simply click on this option. All right, and then just wait for a couple of seconds, and then you have this option right here. So you just have to click on the get it now option. After that, you just have to install it. So currently we can see this note right here that this one is not available in selected billing regions. So if this one is eligible from your region, then you can get this Zoho CRM for email. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.